In this video, I'm going to show you how you can catch reversals using the one candlestick strategy. Now, this technique puts into action the CRT model that I taught you guys before. And if you've not yet understood CRT model, you can go and watch the video at the end of this one to understand the CRT model. Guys, if you're new to the channel, leave a like on the video, subscribe, and comment down below with your questions, guys. Also, go join the free Telegram channel that is linked in the description of this video. And if you want to receive VIP signals, send me a WhatsApp using the contact that is in the description. So guys, today let's dive right onto the screen and I'll show you guys how you can trade the reversals using the one candlestick strategy based on CRT models. Let's go on the charts now. We are going to be looking at how to trade using the CRT model to find reversals in the market. I believe, guys, if you learn how to trade like this, it's going to really enhance how you see the one candlestick strategy, and it's going to help you to find better entries. So guys, let's dive right into it without wasting so much time. So this is a bullish setup and this is a bearish setup, but this bullish setup here indicates a reversal to the downside and this one indicates a reversal to the upside. So how do you find this? Whenever there is an uptrend and you see some green consecutive candles going up and then you see a red candle like this one here which prints this wick on top that goes above the wick of this previous green candle, something like this, that previous candle's wick is cleared, or the high of this previous candle is cleared by that wick, but the body of the candle closes back below the high of that previous candle. Okay, that indicates a reversal to the downside, and most of the time, more than 50% of the time, the market will roll over and move down. Okay, so here in this next one, if the market is trending to the downside like this, printing red candles here, and then you see a green candle creating a wick at the bottom which takes out the previous candle's low, this bearish candle's low, something like this, you know that that market could be reversing up as long as this wick clears the previous candle's low but closes above this candle's low. You know that the candles could be reversing to go to the upside. The market could be going to the upside. So with knowing this in mind, you apply now the one candlestick strategy on the next candle after this red one has closed for the sake of a bearish reversal. For example, here you would apply the one candlestick strategy by marking that candle's high like this up to its close. You'll mark like this, and then that will be your purple zone, the famous purple zone that you guys know on the channel. Okay, so this will be your tradable zone. Why is it that this is your tradable zone? Because the candle's high and the candle's close is what we are marking for the bearish market. We look for trades when the market on the next candle pulls back up. For example, if the next candle opens and does something like this, pulls back up, and then we look for trades to sell that market. For the bullish one, we are going to be marking this green candle here at the bottom. We'll mark that candle's close on top, and then we are going to mark that candle's low at the bottom. So this space in between is what we are going to be trading on the next candle to trade a reversal going up. So we are going to be trading a reversal going up in this purple zone right here. So wait for the next candle to open and pull back something like this, and then we can look for buy trades to go to the upside. So this is the strategy that you can use for day trading and also swing trading, but this will really help you out when you're trading, especially reversals using a one candlestick strategy. So guys, without wasting time, let me just show you guys examples on a live chart so that we can all be up to speed. Okay, so let's just look at some random areas where the market is reversing so that you can see how this really works out. So let me just show you a couple of them. So we see that happening right here. What I just explained to you, it happened here. You see the market was going up here, and then this red candle creates a wick on top. Let me just zoom in so that you can see that area properly. You see that this candle's wick cleared that candle's high, but then it closed, came back down, and then it closed below. You can see this candle closes below that candle's high. The next candle is the one that we are going to trade. We mark this red candle's purple zone. For example, we would mark it from its candle's high to its close, something like this. Then we would trade this candle here. Though this would not be a very good one because the body of the bearish candle did not close below this candle's high. So this would be a tricky one, but it also played out very well. Then you can see at the bottom here, immediately we'll see another reversal down here. You see that this red candle's low was taken out by this green candle's wick, but this green candle closes above this candle's low, you can see, and then the market reverses and goes up here like this. You can see that it reverses and goes up. Then we have another reversal up here. We have another reversal here. We see that this area here also gave us that reversal. There was a green candle here going up, and then this red candle created a wick that took out the high of the previous green candle and then closed down below that candle's high. And then we can see that the market actually rolls over and goes down. You can see the same thing happening at the bottom here. This happens almost all the time. You can see here at the bottom, we also have that formation. We see red candles coming down. Then there's this green candle which produces a wick. You can see it's wick at the bottom. Guys, I hope you can see this clearly. This green candle's wick at the bottom takes out the previous candle's low, and then it closes above that candle's low. So that signifies a reversal to the upside, and as you can see that the market actually reverses and goes up. So you can see many examples of this happening on the chart every single day. You can see even here at this point right here, we had the same thing. This candle's wick at the bottom took out the previous candle's low and then closed above that candle's low, and then the market reverses and goes to the upside. We can see this happening almost everywhere. You can see even here, we find that same pattern happening over and over in the market. And tell me guys, if you cannot really catch at least one or two of these a week to be profitable, right? You can see these are happening everywhere. These are happening everywhere. You can see this, and this is a gold chart, by the way, but this will work on all the pairs. You can see even down here the same thing happens. Okay, I can show you this all day, guys. I can show you this all day and you will be amazed. You can see even in this area here, this also happens around there. You can look at this and you will be amazed. Even down here, we can see that this green candle here, this spinning top candle here, takes out the previous candle's low and closes above it. So it signifies the market is reversing to go up. You can see all this happening every single day and every single time. You can see where there are major reversals, like even here on top, the same thing happens. The market is pushing up. This next candle's wick takes out that candle's high and closes below it, and then the market melts to the downside. You can go and look at this and see how this works. You can even see here this reversal. That candle's wick to the downside takes out that previous candle's low, and then the market pushes in a reversal to this upside. This is a 4-hour chart, so you can catch these trades on a lower time frame. I cannot explain to you and exhaust, or I cannot show you these things and exhaust them, because you can go by yourself and you look at the chart and you will be able to find this. You can even see down here, same thing happens. This candle takes out that candle's low and closes above it, and the market reverses, right? This happens every single day, every single time frame. You can use this for scalping, you can use this for day trading, you can use this for swing trading. This will change the way you look at trading, and it will help you to find reversals using the 1 candlestick strategy. Guys, if you found value with this, thank you for watching the video up to this moment. Guys, let us meet in profit. Till next time, peace and out.